Move on to the Athletics Remuneration and Endowment Fund, which was proposed in a private motion in 2018, but is only receiving renewed attention now following the deaths of prominent sports legends. While the fund seeks to support and cushion athletes against financial challenges upon their retirement. In Bakoi, Member of Parliament William Chepkut, the proposer of the fund, has decried the deplorable conditions in which most athletes find themselves upon retirement from active athletics or sports. The motion further seeks to encourage athletes to venture into investments while they're still active. Chepkut spoke in Eldoret during an event dubbed Exercise Today that aims at promoting fitness amongst Kenyans.
Imepitisha bili ya Athletes and Remuneration and Endowment Fund. Athletes wanalete glory, honor, recognition to our own country. Nataka wakiretire wakuwe compensated.